G. I dey teach you all. No be one line said we one line. Then some people go there, then they go talk say, what are they do to the militants? They know like, what are they do to the militants? Hey, I say I bake bread. Where I say the bread not good. If you say the bread good for, go chop them and eat. If you die, don't come blame me. Say I cook bread for you where the bread no good. You know me I cook. What kind of nonsense with this? What kind of nonsense with this? When human beings not if you sit down and just think say, no, these things, the thing that they do, Shatawale, you know, but the moment they leave Shatawale, then another opportunity come. The moment they leave him, then another opportunity come. The moment they leave him, then another opportunity come. How is this thing happening? Let me just sit down as a normal human being to study this thing and undergo certain things. Make I just understand how or why is this thing happening? None. But somebody go there, oh, shut up there, the way they sack their boys. Hey! Corona will come. Go check companies. They sack plenty people. Not be even Corona. Before Corona, you can't be in a bank. Come work at 8, then you come at 10. You go home. Take your pride and everything and sit in your house. You work, how they do? I just they do work. Not make nobody see me say, me, my heart they come, my heart they come. Hey, like your heart, you know they come. Make Rana, make you know get money. Make somebody they can give you pressure. You will see the way your heart will come. Don't let us think like we are myopic, we are short-sighted, like we can't see far. My dream is say me too, if I get money, make I do something for my fans. Make I give something to my fans. Make I support my fans. Make I do this. See this Tuesday market that they think of. And they say, no, coronavirus come. Make I do. And some people, they don't. You see, make I tell you, you see, at the cell of Natalie, Joint 77, I sacked them. I should say before January. Or in the middle of January or something. Long time. That's why I give them a pass and they go. Long time. But they did the group pages inside. Then they put some nonsense songs inside like it be me I write for them. And I don't want that dent to be on me. I don't want that image. Because the kind of things that they tell them say, hey, at the self, you sha. Joint, you sha. Hey, Natalie, you sha. Captain, you sha. Make you people do song. Make the fans feel proud of you. At least, people go get some of the fans. Make them to support your music. They need to go get money for talk. Boys say they know they understand. At the self, they feel gang up. Then you are the self where you know they feel right there. You feel gang up. If they play beat for you, where you know they feel enter. They feel gang up with Joint 77, Natalie, Captain. Every time say one done they from fool you people. You see that stupid life way some people can show me some time ago way. I don't mind. That's why I mean somebody tells you somebody even get talent. They see the person like take your talent, Charlie. Because somebody get talent where you no get sense. Take your talent. At the self, it the gang, the militants. They start going interview. They do them a song. They go do some song. Mandela. As if they did the way apartheid come for South Africa. They go do some Mandela. It all be at the self manipulation. Charlie, in born at the self. You don't fit captain say you born you born. Cause if you pay me a born. And if you be man, don't come live. If you be man, and they tell you don't come live. Come they do like you won't talk big boy. Because if I see you for road, I go beat you. Because the things that they do for you, your mother, your father said no, they do for you. Don't come live. They can't do like you won't come take camera top. Because if I see you for road, I go beat you. Because the kind of money you I give you at yourself, your mother and your father not give you before. The kind of things you are do for you at yourself, your mother and your father not give you before. Not be you alone. Joint 77, Natalie, Captain. Give people what you know. But if you can sit media because everybody get phone. So if you can sit down and they talk nonsense to people, make people believe say, oh that boy skinny self liver, oh that boy blaze self liver, oh that boy this guy self liver. All of them they don't get sense one because they are not ready to work. Me I want to work. And when you're my friend, when we get girls, oh yeah, girls they Charlie yeah. Me and them all the chop pussies. We the fuck together. We the fuck together. We the chill. We the have party together. That one they know the ball. That one they know they can't tell people. Wanna give them 100 million, 200 million. They know they can wanna buy car for man. That one they know they can't tell you. But when mistake come, that when they will come out and kind of talk, I mean, I know they do anything for that. If you call somebody for America, say, if I do song with you people, I know they give you people money. If I go show with you, I know they give you people money. And if I do America like they shoot me. Hey, you see that thing? You make a verse. And at the time you put the fans, these are the things where they go on for long time. I don't know. Here Natalie, they call some woman for America. They tell the woman, say, me, if I go show with them, I know they give them money. I know they give them money. Things where they do for street self alone. People where I don't know. Fans where they touch my heart. When me now, I carry money and say, no, make I do this for fun. You won't lie to the fans. Tell them, say, me, I know they do anything. Like, I know they do anything. This is what some people do. Where I collect my cars from them. This is what some people do. Some of you, they feel work and talk, say, as they leave me, where they see money. What money you people they see? What money? No.